Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to group your tabs on Chrome. Let's say you have tons of Chrome tabs open and you want to organize them. So let's start with the first one. So you have a gaming website. I'm reading some gaming news, and there's also another one which is also a gaming news. So we can start with this two. So let's right click on the first one, and then there's an option called add tab to a new group. Let's click it here, and you have to name this group. We will name it gaming news. Okay, and then you have the option to select color. I will go with the yellow color, and I'll press enter. Okay, so we have created one group, but there's just only one tab, so you just can drag it here. So see, like it's now under the same one. So you can just click and select it. Okay, so now you'll see like we do have a couple of other social ones. So let's create a social tab. Add to group, new group, we'll select social. This one will be blue. Okay, then press enter. Put Facebook, and Pinterest also goes here. Do you have any others? Nope. Okay, then click here. Okay. This is let's say like NI Times. I'm just reading news. So we'll just click create one as news. This one will be, let's say, this color. Okay. This, then we put them here. These websites are quite heavy, so this way is taking a little bit longer. Okay. You can leave some of them as it is. You don't have to put all on the tab. So if you want to, let's say, ungroup, you just have to right click and click ungroup, and you'll be prompted and just click ungroup. You'll see like they've been ungrouped now. However, let's say like you don't want to read news now. You want to clear or remove all of this or close all of this tabs inside this news. Just right click and click delete group. It's gone. It's gone from here. So you can also close the group too. So it's practically the same thing. So this is how you manage the uh, tabs in Chrome and use the grouping thing. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.